Hello guys, my name is Sachin Marode and I am an assistant professor in an engineering college. As we are facing corona pandemic, we are facing tremendous difficulty in teaching and learning process. For example, as colleges, schools are closed, so we had to take online classes. Again, we are given some assignment to the students. Also, we have to collect them online in a PDF format or Word format. Again, then we have to check that, but how we can analyze their performance, that's a difficult task. So we find I find out the easiest way to analyze the performance of student. So I come with a unique idea so we can analyze the performance student, that is using we can take Google quiz or online quiz, so we can analyze the performance of students using Google form. Let's start how we'll make the quiz using the Google form. First you have to log in a, your Google Chrome browser or any browser that you are having. Its connection is so little bit slow, it will take some time. Yes, it is loading. As you can see here, I have already logged in. That is, my name is Sachin Mavade. Then you have to see this Google Apps. So click on that. Then you have to come to the Google Drive. Here is the Google Drive. Click on that. Then it will send you the Google Drive. Now you have to make new quiz here. So there is an option here. You can see here. Click on that. New. There is a lot of option here. There folder, file for upload, folder upload, Google Docs, Google Sheet. We have to go to the more option. More option you can see there is a Google form. In Google form there is a blank form and from a template you have to select blank form. So it will send you the new tab and it will go to the Google form. So this is the home page. You can see that your quiz will be in this format. First you have to there is a untitled form. Suppose you want to give the name of your form or exam or quiz, so you can add here. Suppose I put the name general quiz. You can add a description also as you like. As we are taking the multiple choice test, so we have to do some settings. First you have to go to the setting option. Here we can see the setting. There is a three more tab, that is a general, presentation, quizzes. First do the general setting. First you have to collect the email address of your students. This is most important because it will collect the student email address. Also you can send the response of your test, that is suppose he got 20 marks out of 30. After submitting the form, the system will automatically send the email to him or her. So take this response if represent requested. This is not compulsory, but if you want to send him mark sheet or like score of your student, you can take it. This is the most important feature, that is limit to one response. So as you know that the students are so smart to in 21 centuries, even they are smarter than the teachers. So we have to limit one response. What that mean only student can solve his test one time only. So afterward it you he cannot edit that form. So you have to take that, compulsory you have to take that. Again there is some other option, that is edit after submit, that you have to not check that. So if you enable that, student will be able to edit your their answers even after the submission of test. So I will not check that. Just you have to check this, see summary chart and test responses. After solving the test, this will analyze the student's performance and which question uh, it will analyze difficulty level of your question. Suppose uh, most of the students solve the this question, then it will show the graph or in the textual or visual form. Now come to the presentation part. There is a two option, that is show progress bar and shuffle question order. You have to take both the option. It will show the progress bar, shows the how many question you have solved. Again shuffle question means it will shuffle the questions that are included in the test, as if you not click that, it will not as you order that, it will show as it is. Suppose both students are sit together and solve the exam, so it will share the answers. So you have to all shuffle that question order, so it will not get easy to the answer the questions. Again confirmation, suppose you have already submitted test, you want to show some uh, response to it while submitting or completing the test, then you have to write that. Here I give us some confirmation, that is your response is recorded. Again come to the third tab, that is quizzes. As we are taking quizzes, so tick this option, make this quiz. Again no there is no need to change any other option here. Immediate after each submission. Grade, it will show the grade of student or score as he submitted his test. Again missed question, correct answer, responded, it will show that. So now you have to say all this setting. Now as here is the email address, that is compulsory, this asterisk show that it is compulsory question. Email student has to add his email address. Again suppose you want to add name of student, then come to here and add question, this button add question, then it will show together one question is added here. Now you have to ask the name of student, then I will write here name of student, then it is short answer, as student will add his name here in this area. So you can, if it by default not come to short answer, then you have to select short answer. Again it is compulsory to add student name, so it is required, tick this required button on. As it is general thing, so you have to know don't need to add the answer key or points to it. When suppose you want to ask the roll number of student, then again click on this. This is add one more question. So you can write here field like roll number, as it is, this is also a short answer, so it will select short answer. Again student will enter his roll number or her name, her roll number here. Again this is required field, so click here. There is no points to it. Now suppose now we will start making the quiz, that is we want to add first question. Here the untitled question, here you have to type the question. Suppose I have type one question, that is capital of India is. First option is the, suppose I write Mumbai. Second is Delhi. Third is Kolkata. Fourth is, suppose I write down Nagpur. These are all. Then you have to select multiple choice. As we are in multiple choice, then select multiple choice. Again, how will now you have to check the answer. So you have to supply the answer key also to this Google form. As you are host, you are creating the quiz, so you have to provide the answer also. So here the answer, so Google form will automatically check that exam or answers. So you have to add, after adding question, you have to supply the answer key or provide the answer key. Click on the answer key. Now it will show, you have to select correct answer. As I have give the answer key, it will tick here. This is your correct answer. Now you have to provide, there is also point system, as we are going to making quiz, so it will how many marks you have to give to one question. That is, suppose I give 2 points to it, so it will add 2 points to it. Suppose you want to add some description about feedback, that is incorrect answer. Incorrect answer, suppose any student select incorrect answer, so after submitting exam or quiz, it will show the answer, correct answer to it. Suppose you want to show the correct answer to it, so I will add the correct or answer is Delhi. And correct answer, suppose is correct, choose correct answer, then come to the correct answer tab and well done, and save it. Now you are write down the question. Again you are out down the feedback, you are given the points also, and in last you have to click the done button. This question is saved automatically. Now suppose you want to add another question like true false. Now suppose add another true false question like capital of Maharashtra. Again I give the option here like Solapur. Mumbai, Pune. Of course. Again, you have to check this as we are taking the multiple choice question. No, we have to add the true false question again. Oh, we have to give. We have to just change the question here. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Here you have to just write true or false. Then provide the answer key. Answer key is true. Suppose your student select the incorrect answer, you want to provide the correct answer, that is true. Again, suppose your student selected correct answer, then you have to show some message, well done, save. Then don't forget to give the points to it, that is 2 points, done. Now again, suppose you want to add a question like that. Suppose you want to show some picture and verify it or identify that figure, you can add that figure also here. So here the option, that is third question, will be the adding the figure using figure. Suppose I add the image here, add upload browse. As upload, you can upload the image using camera, using photos, Google Drive, Google Image Search. If you are uploading the from your PC, so you can use this option, upload browse. I have one image that is on desktop. I select that. There is a TV. It will upload the figure here. Suppose I give the figure name figure. Again, now you have to ask student identify the figure. So you have to add question here. So below that figure you have to add question. Yeah. Above figure shows this figure is of positive pressure ventilator system. As I am teaching biomedical engineering, that figure is from that book. First option is suppose I write down negative pressure ventilator. Then second option is positive pressure ventilator. Normal pressure ventilator. So we have to only add to the 3 option here. So provide answer key. When this is the positive pressure ventilator, select correct answer, give the points. Again, feedback option, answer is positive pressure ventilator, and correct answer. Well done. And save it. Again you are given points. Again provide the answer, then click on the done option. Now again suppose there is a take 3 question here. Again add one more question, that is suppose I want to ask the definition of something, then you can add like define resistance. You can add like that. Paragraph, suppose you add the long question, but for we can select the short answer, as definition are short. This is the, as we are going suppose he knows the answer, this is little bit complex here, you cannot provide the, you can add correct answer here. Suppose opposites law of current. You can add multiple lines also, or suppose as student are write the answer of question in multiple in their language, so it will not match exact answer, so you have to give multiple answer here. So here I will give them 2 points here. I only add the one option. Again feedback, you are going to provide the correct answer, that is opposite the current. And save it, and click on the done option. Now here your quiz is ready. Now you have to it automatically save that. Here the total point is 8 here, that is we have add 4 questions, that is 1 2 3 and 4, so total 8 point. Here is the response tab, that is it will show how many students solve your quiz, again how many get answer, their score, their performance, it will show chart also. Now suppose you want to you have to add some little bit customize or color it, so you can click on the theme option, choose image. Suppose I select this or this figure and insert, it will add the header image here. You can choose custom image also. Again you have to change the font or the font style, that is suppose I like this playful, so I did change the font also. Now your quiz is ready. Now now it will automatically stored or save in a Google Drive. Suppose you click here, as given the general quiz as a header, it will take that, just click on that. Now you have to send it to your student. So click on the send button. Suppose you want to send this form using the email, then you have to add email address here. Again send via this is the link. You can send this link to the WhatsApp. First click on this, shorten the URL. This is your Google form or quiz link, just like we have opened the website in a browser. So copy this and share to your student on WhatsApp group and just close it. Your quiz is ready.